How to create custom product page in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create a custom product page, especially in Shopify. This is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that we are going to do is to go to the theme store or the online store. Here we have the themes. I'm simply going to click on customize the theme. Right here we have the web editor or the store editor. I am simply going to click on here on the home page, which has a drop down menu. Click on products. Then here we have some templates. I am going to create a simple templates or a customized template for the product. I'm going to name this as the product that we are going to choose. Here I'm going to put t-shirt, for example, t-shirt for summer. Like this. And here we have based on, I'm going to let it here default product. I'm going to click on create template. Here we have the t-shirt, and to select the right product, all you have to do is to click on the preview. Here we have change, and you can go ahead and select the product that you have. I'm going to put, for example, this Manifiti Legend t-shirt. This is created for this t-shirt simply. All you have to do now is to put some of the modification. I'm going to add here on the template, I'm going to add a block. Click on add block, or let's say that I want to add, for example, a section. Let's add a section. Here I'm going to click on image with text. This is the section that I'm going to put, but I'm going to put it right here, for example, under the product here. This is the part where I want to put this. We have a image and we have a text section. When you click on it, here we have the image. Let's go ahead and select the image. Simply click on select image, add a image. For example, I'm going to add images from my PC. Let's go ahead and add any image that we want. Let's go and add this, for example. This I want to add this image. It is not with the theme of the t-shirt, but it is okay. It is just for the demonstration for this video. A little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, such as videos, photos, and email addresses, are created for the sake of the video. They are not used for any personal uses. We have here the image that we are going to, or we have selected. Now we have the text. We have a title, we have a description, and a button. I don't want my customers to be struggled with this button, so I'm going to simply delete it. I don't need it. Now with the image, or with the title, image with text, I'm going to modify this. I'm going to put a title for the t-shirt. I'm going to put, for example, premium quality, and here we go. This is the description. You can go ahead and put it right here. I'm going to add a description. This t-shirt, for example, this t-shirt is created or is made by or with a high quality, for example, wool, 100%. Let's go ahead and customize this section. Here, when you click on this section, which is right here, image with text, you can see these parameters right here. The image height, you can adapt it to the image. I can make it small, for example. I can make it medium, like this, and this is the perfect form, or you can let it large. The desktop image width, here we have small, we have medium, and we have large. I'm going to put it as medium. Here we have the desktop image placement. You can go ahead and add the image as the first thing to see or the second thing to see. That means that the text will show up first. Now for the desktop content position, you can put it at the middle. This is very good to the presentation. Or you can put it as the bottom, but it is not recommended. The desktop content alignment, you can go ahead and put it right here, center, left, right. You can play with this and toggle it wherever you want. Content layout, you can put no overlap or overlap. This is a little bit ugly. I'm going to put no overlap. Here for the color scheme, I have here two options. We have the container color scheme and the color scheme. Here I'm going to change the color to a lighter one. Here we have the borders. As you can see, it is much lighter. And we have the container color scheme, which is blue. I'm going to put the second or the container color scheme as also as white. And you can see here, this is something different. You can go ahead and play with these colors as much as you want. Now for the animation, you can go ahead and put, for example, ambient movement. This is the movement for the product image. Or you can put zoom in on scroll, for example. This is on the zoom in on scroll. It will be applied whenever you click on save and you see the live website. Here I will let it ambient movement. The mobile layout, you can put a mobile content alignment. And here, let's say that this section is bothering me. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to put the section padding. Here, the bottom padding, I'm going to either increase it like this or decrease it. Put it, for example, this one, like this. And here we have some space. This is a lot of space. From here, I'm going to put something like this. I will separate this section from the other section. As you can see, it is separated with a good space. And we have the theme settings. Here we can put the page width and the scheme. Also, you can put the cell badge color scheme. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content. And here we have the custom product page. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you soon on the next one.